Hello there, YouTubers and Facebookers. It's a hot, humid summer day here in Japan, and I just found out last week, or last 2 weeks, I helped a family of ducks cross the road. This week, there's no help for this bird. Come and check it out. Come on. Snake versus bird. And this is what happened. If you can see in the center, that's the snake's head. And he's making light work of that bird. And there on the right, underneath the snake's body, is the bird's head. And what I'll do is, I'll cut to 5 minutes ago, when 3 little boys found the snake. So this is actually part 2. I'll put a link or something, or edit it, I'm not sure, but anyway, yeah, can you see his head? There he goes. This is nature in action, folks. So long live the ducks and God save the bird. Don't know what kind of bird it is. A lark or a sparrow? It's a bit big to be a sparrow, isn't it? The poor Japanese boys are going frantic. They wanted to save the bird. Tried to tell them it was beyond saving. Look at him go. There's no stopping him. Oh, there he goes. Get it down your neck, son. Now, when people tell me to eat meat because it's nature, I always agree with them. It is nature. But this is nature. This is what really happens. You catch your own meat. If you catch your own meat, you're welcome to it. Oh, look at it dance. You see, he's getting freaked out by my presence and he wants to take it home. But before, in part 2, he just wanted to crush its body first. And so he had his whole body wrapped around the bird for the first 10 minutes. And he just crushed its wings and rib cage. So now it's all tenderized. I'm guessing he wants to take it home, wherever that may be. And it's the first time to see a snake in the wild. And when I say wild, I mean the street. First time to see a snake outside of a zoo or pet shop. And the first time I see one, he's chowing down on the corpse. So yeah, happy Father's Day. I'm guessing maybe this is his Father's Day present. Alright, that's... What was that? Getting freaked out by every little insect that crawls on me. Anyway, that's that. It's been about 4 minutes. I'm going to leave him to his lunch. Maybe come back later. Click on part 2 for the prequel. See ya.